In the realm of natural remedies, few ingredients stand as tall as aloe vera, lemon, and honey. Individually renowned for their myriad health benefits, when combined, they form a potent elixir that can invigorate the body and promote overall wellness. This video delves into the scientific underpinnings behind each ingredient and explores how their synergistic effects can offer a plethora of health advantages. 1. Aloe vera, nature's healing marvel. Aloe vera, known for its succulent leaves filled with a gel-like substance, has been revered for centuries for its therapeutic properties. Studies have shown that aloe vera possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable asset in treating conditions such as colitis, gastritis, and ulcers. The gel from aloe vera has been found to accelerate wound healing and promote skin regeneration, attributed to its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. 2. Lemon, the zesty antioxidant powerhouse. Lemons, with their vibrant yellow hue and tangy flavor, are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants. Lemon's antioxidant properties aid in detoxification, helping to rid the body of harmful toxins and free radicals that can cause cellular damage. The citric acid in lemon can also assist in preventing kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, thus reducing the risk of stone formation. 3. Honey, nature's golden nectar. Honey, often referred to as nectar from the gods, has been cherished for its medicinal properties since ancient times. Rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, honey can combat inflammation and reduce stress on the body. Studies suggest that honey may have modest effects on regulating blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and triglycerides, offering potential benefits for individuals managing these conditions. 4. Synergistic effects of the trio. When aloe vera, lemon, and honey are combined, their individual strengths are amplified, leading to enhanced health benefits. The combination's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of colitis, gastritis, and ulcers, promoting gastrointestinal health. Lemon's detoxifying abilities, coupled with honey's antioxidant properties, facilitate the elimination of toxins from the body, promoting overall detoxification. The trio's collective impact on reducing inflammation can contribute to lowering the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Besides these benefits, the mixture will boost your hair growth and improve your eyesight. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of organic honey, 2 aloe vera leaves, 2 lemons. Preparation: clean the stalks from the aloe leaves well and cut them from the sides, then squeeze out the gel and put it in a blender. Next, add the chopped lemons and honey and mix well, then strain the mixture and pour it in a glass bottle. Keep the bottle in the fridge. Take a teaspoon of the remedy in the morning and again in the afternoon after your meals and repeat the process for a week. Take a 7-day break afterwards, then repeat the process again if needed. If the taste is too strong for you, you can dilute the mixture with a bit of water. Just make sure to keep it in a glass jar or bottle in the fridge for up to a month. Aloe vera, lemon, and honey stand as pillars of natural wellness, each offering a treasure trove of health benefits. When united, their synergistic effects create a formidable force for promoting vitality and resilience within the body. From soothing gastrointestinal ailments to bolstering immune function, this powerful trio exemplifies nature's capacity to nurture and heal. Incorporating aloe vera, lemon, and honey into one's daily regimen can pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. However, it's essential to approach natural remedies with caution and consult with healthcare professionals, especially for individuals with specific health concerns or medical conditions. Embrace the holistic wonders of nature's bounty and embark on a journey toward optimal health and well-being with aloe vera, lemon, and honey as your steadfast companions.